Yeah, look at mine.
Nice. Let him have it, buddy. Atta boy. Double. Man, you got him, bud. Wants to go and lift the tip up. I think he's tired now. The big buck is tired. See how he's coming in easy now? Easier?
Rod tip up, buddy.
You wore him out. Now turn him this, pull him towards
How you doing, Drew?
You're doing great, bud.
You want me to get him off?
Keep bringing him in.
Hey, is this any fun?
Can I hold it?
You want to hold the fish?
Good job. Now lift up the tip again. He's coming. See him right there? He's not quite ready yet, is he?
Oh man, Drew. Okay, Drew. He's done.
Wow. Wow, that's a big
Yeah, just a second.
There we go. Wow.
Go get him, Drew.
Well,
Oh man, that fish has got some fight.
he's fighting you, isn't he? Let him run a little bit. Look at you go. Look at those guns. He's still going.
How long is this gonna go on?
Until you get control of him, buddy. He's tired now. He's tired, Kate. Bring the tip back up. Now reel down.
Okay, Drew.
Reel. Drew, up again. Now reel. Okay, go ahead and put this. Pull it right here by the handle. How's that feel? Is that feeling better? Can you put it on your belly? Man, that's a strong. That's a fight, huh? You got him now. Now lift it up. See how he's coming up? Now reel down. Quick. Okay, good. Look at that hump on that guy. Jeez. He's putting the wood to you. He's tearing you up, buddy. Alright, now he's tired. He's saying, just kill me.
There goes that one.
Man, look at that.
Nice buck.
Man. Hey, I want my jig back. Fishy.
Oh!
Yeah, but hold on. It's twisted around the tip.
It's gonna go on and on.
You doing good, bud? Is that fun or what? You got him. Go ahead and lift it up. Man, that guy's had some fight.
Lift up and reel down, Lane. Lift up and then reel
Not
down
too
on
hard.
it.
Just nice and smooth. I guess let's go up. He's tired now. Come here, fishy. Don't you break my line. I want that jig. He deserves the jig. Watch out there, bud. There you go. You getting tired? I hear you breathing hard. Okay, lift up on the tip. All right, Mr. Buck.
Look at that big hump.
You're doing great, buddy. That's too much. That's too close.
I already got it untwisted.
All
Okay,
right,
go ahead,
look at
Drew.
that
Can I see? Ooh, can I take a picture of this guy? I want to take a picture.
How about no?
guy. Yeah. These rocks are super slippery, bud. How'd you like that, buddy? Nice job. You tore him up, huh?
What do you say to Chris?
Thank you.
Man, hey, nice work. How's your arm feel? Feel strong now? Man,
How much minutes was that?
that was like at least 5 minutes. At least.